As a jewelry maker, I was approached by a customer in need of a special Mother's Day gift for her mom. Despite just starting her job and having limited funds, she was determined to find something unique for her mother, understanding her situation. I listened closely to her preferences and ideas, inspired by the strength and symbolism of Viking culture. I crafted a delicate Viking knot necklace adorned with a stunning ruby redstone. Each intricate twist of the knot symbolized the unbreakable bond between a mother and her child, while the ruby redstone represented the depth of their love and connection. When I presented the finished necklace to the customer, her eyes lit up with joy and gratitude. She was overjoyed to have found a piece that perfectly captured the essence of her relationship with her mother. Seeing her happiness was truly rewarding, reaffirming the power of meaningful gestures and the importance of creating something special, regardless of budget constraints.